Greetings from the smart, environmentally friendly road travel of the future. Here is the Skoda Motorhome 2026 concept, a groundbreaking idea that blends classic Skoda functionality with a dash of contemporary elegance and innovation. The motorhome's exterior is sleek, aerodynamic, and minimalistic, with Skoda's trademark sharp lines mixed with futuristic elements, possibly including integrated solar panels on the top and expansive windows that provide the illusion of more room. Underneath its sophisticated exterior, the 2026 Skoda Motorhome is propelled by a selection of cutting-edge and efficient engines. It is anticipated to be offered in an environmentally friendly plug-in hybrid (PHEV) variant, which combines a potent electric motor with an efficient turbocharged petrol engine for a considerable all-electric range and range-extended capability for lengthy trips. An all-electric EV version will also be available for emission-free driving. It will provide quiet, smooth operation and a longer range because of the most recent battery technology developed by the Volkswagen Group. You will notice a very contemporary and ergonomic dashboard as soon as you enter the cabin. The primary control center will be a large floating touchscreen that offers simple access to the newest infotainment system, cutting-edge augmented reality navigation, and a variety of other vehicle features. The completely customizable digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel will provide important data in a clear, contemporary manner. The dashboard's materials will show Skoda's dedication to sustainability by combining soft touch with sophisticated accents, maybe employing creative recycled materials. You will be welcomed with a large, multi-purpose space as soon as you enter the main interior area. The Skoda aesthetic and functional Scandinavian design will be prominent, with warm LED ambient lighting and muted hues fostering a cozy ambience. The living room will be converted into a dining area or perhaps an additional bed by folding or rearranging sofas and armchairs covered in premium fabric or vegan leather. Everywhere you go, you'll be able to interact with nature thanks to the breathtaking views outside provided by the large panoramic windows. Even though it's a motorhome, the sleeping space is made to be as comfortable and private as possible. A cozy queen or double bed will serve as the primary bed. It could include a slide-out or fold-down mechanism to conserve room when not in use. Around the bed are also ingenious, concealed storage cupboards for clothes and personal belongings. After a day of exploration, a restful night's sleep will be guaranteed by dim lighting and heavy drapes. The Skoda Motorhome 2026 XS bathroom will wow with its practicality and well-thought-out layout. A contemporary, user-friendly cassette toilet, a small wash basin with hot and cold water taps, and an integrated shower with high water pressure will all be included in a space-efficient design. Mirrors and the best possible lighting will be included, along with easily cleaned and moisture-resistant materials. The focal point of your motorhome experience will be the integrated kitchen. With its ergonomic design, it will have a stainless steel sink, a huge refrigerator and freezer, a microwave or convection oven, and a 2-burner induction cooktop for EV efficiency. With a safe locking mechanism for travel, smart cabinets and drawers will offer plenty of space for storing food and utensils. You will be able to cook delectable meals in the heart of nature thanks to worktops constructed of durable, easily cleaned materials.